Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. We are up at the Vanity. We're doing some quick videos today. So you'll get two little quickie videos because, hey, sometimes it's cool just to do some quick in and out videos and not talk y'all to death because I know I talk y'all to death. So today's video is my Splendies. Yes, my Splendies unboxing. If you're not familiar with Splendies, Splendies is a monthly subscription. You can pay by the month. You can pay every 3 months. You can pay every 6 months. You can pay once a year and get the biggest savings by paying once a year. Basically, it's a subscription where you get underwear, new undies sent in the mail. If you are of the small to extra large size, the underwear are, I think, $14 a month. And if you're plus size, it's $2 more, of course, because we need a little bit more fabric. So it is a little bit more. But if you pay yearly, you get the biggest discount, and it's $14.99. Excuse me, $14.99. Gotta add that $0.99 in there, $14.99. But yeah, so this is my Splendies that I got this month. Ooh-wee, so I got some new underwear. I'm so excited. Do y'all like getting new underwear? I love getting new underwear, and I'll leave the information for Splendies below just in case if you guys want to check them out. But y'all know I don't have no shame in my game showing underwear on my channel because we need ideals as women to spice up the room and all that. So, you know, so here's the Splendies packaging. Looks just like this, and it's really, really cute. You open it up here. Ooh. And I didn't even know my pics. I didn't even look at them, so this is my first time seeing them. And it's good to size up. That way, if you size up, you know for sure that your underwear will fit, just so you guys know. So the size I got was a 2X because I did size up. And these are normally just $12 a piece. It's the normal price. Very, very soft. These are really, really pretty. I do like these. I already see my favorite pair, and they actually match my shirt. Look at these. And it match my shirt. Yes, these are cute. I really do like these. The manufacturer price on it is $12, and yes, got the booty all out in the back with the this is cute with, you know, the see-through. I really do like those. And then this is the third pair. These are actually a thong pair. You can pick if you want a thong or no thong, because some people just don't like thongs, so it is up to you. But this is the third pair. It's like this baby pink color, and the price on it goes for $12, and they're really, really cute. So yeah, there's hardly no material on this thing. Oh my God. Okay, so these are the 3 pair of underwear that I got from Splendies this month. Very, very cute, great value if you're definitely looking for underwear and you don't want to wait to like Victoria's Secrets or, you know, Frederick's or any of those places have this big sale. Just go ahead and get you a Splendies subscription. I'll leave the information below. I hope you guys enjoyed this quickie video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.